Friends, welcome to Biology Made Easy. We are discussing inflorescence. While in one of the videos we have discussed what is inflorescence, what are the different types of inflorescence, that is racemose and cymose, and also we have discussed the different types of racemose inflorescence. Today in this video we will discuss the second type of inflorescence, that is the cymose type, as well as some of the special types of inflorescence. So let us start with the cymose type of inflorescence. Cymose inflorescence. So as we have discussed earlier, that in cymose inflorescence, the one axis is there, and this axis usually terminates with a flower. It terminates with a flower. That means now the growth becomes definite. It cannot grow further. The floral axis cannot grow further. It is restricted. Then how the next flowers will come out? The next flowers will come out below it, like this. It will come out, and again they will terminate in flowers. Then again the growth is restricted, becomes definite. If further the flowers will come out, then they will come out to below these flowers. That means in case of cymose inflorescence, the growth is definite, and the old flower is at the apex, while the young ones are at the base. That means the arrangement of the flowers is basipetal. So here the growth is definite. Arrangement of flowers is in basipetal succession. Basipetal succession, and when the flowers will open, this is the oldest flower, it will open first, then these flowers will open. That means the opening of flowers is centrifugal. Opening of flowers is centrifugal. These are the major differences between the racemose type and cymose type, while the reverse characters are found in racemose. Now the cymose type of inflorescence is again mainly of three types. That is, we can call it as the unichasial, bichasial, and multichasial, or you can call it as uniparous, biparous, multiparous. So let us discuss one by one. So one type is, it is known as uniparous. Now uniparous means always the flowers arise singly. That means this is the axis, and there will be a single flower. Then the second, again suppose to this side, the pedicel will come out. Then there will be only one flower. Then another will come to this side, only one single flower, and again another side, one flower, like this. This is known as uniparous. But the uniparous is again of two types. It may be scarpoid. It may be scarpoid, or it may be also helicoid. Scarpoid or helicoid. Now, what is the difference between scarpoid and helicoid? In case of scarpoid, they are alternate arrangement of flowers. Alternate arrangement of flowers. While here, flowers arranged in one direction. That means in case of the scarpoid type, suppose this is one axis. This is one axis, and here, since alternate arrangement, so it will terminate with one flower. Then suppose now the flower arises on the right side, then the next one will be to the left side, then again it will be right side. That means right, left, right, left. That means the arrangement is in a zigzag manner. That means left, right, or alternate direction they are arranged. This is known as scarpoid type. While in case of helicoid type, all the flowers will be on the same side. Suppose now it terminates with a flower. Then now it suppose comes to the right side. Then again to the right side, again to the right side, again to the right side. That means all the flowers in the same direction. This is the basic difference between scarpoid and helicoid. Here there is the alternate or zigzag arrangement, but here all the flowers are arranged to one direction, either to right or to left. And again, another thing is, when the flowers are arranged, all these flowers may be in the same plane or they may be arranged in different planes. So, when they are present in the same plane, or one plane, it is known as rhiphidium. Rhiphidium. Rhiphidium means they are present in the same plane. While it may be cincinus when they are arranged in different planes. That means when all flowers in the same plane, that is a rhiphidium, and when they are arranged in different planes, that is known as cincinus. And if we write the examples, then in case of rhiphidium, the example is solanum. While in case of cincinus, the example is ranunculus. Similarly, coming to the helicoid. In case of helicoid, all the flowers are towards only one side. Now here also, all the flowers may be in the same plane, like that of the boat, or they may be arranged in different planes. So here also, we'll come across two terms. It may be, again number one, it may be drepanium. That means present in the single plane. And the common example we can take datura. The example is datura. While the second one we can take as that is known as bustrix. That means all the flowers are in different planes, and we can take the example of begonia. Example is begonia. So the uniparous type, it has only the flowers arranged singly, but again it is two types, maybe scarpoid or helicoid, depending whether the flowers are arranged in left right in a zigzag manner, or they are present only to one side, either to left or to right. And if they are present in same plane, they have different terms like rhiphidium here and here drepanium. And if they are present in different planes, it is cincinus here and it is bustrix here. So this is uniparous type. Now come to the second type. The second type is biparous or dichesial. Biparous or dichesial. The second type is biparous, or we can call it also dichesial. So here the two flowers will come at a time. That means suppose this is the axis. Now this axis terminates with one flower. Then what about the next one? Now two pedicels will come out. This will terminate with one flower. This will terminate with flower. Then the third level, in the third level, again two flowers will come out simultaneously. That is why it is known as biparous. That means at that time, first it terminates with one, then all the flowers they will come in two in number to either side. So this is very common in case of Ixora. In case of Ixora, it is commonly found. Also, it is found in case of jasmine, as well as in case of bougainvillea. These are very common. And the third type is multiparous or multichesial, where instead of one or two flowers, from each point a large number of flowers can come out. Suppose this is the example is Calotropis. So here now it terminates with one flower, first flower. Then suppose from this point and the flowers will come out, then several flowers will come out from the same point. Several flowers are coming from the same point. That is known as multiparous or multithecial, and the common example is the Calotropis. So these are the different types of cymose inflorescence: uniparous, biparous, and multiparous, or we can call as unithecial, dichecial, and multithecial. Then, in addition to this cymose type of inflorescence, there are also some special type of inflorescence which are very important. There are three types of special type of inflorescence. One is cyathium, the second one is hypanthodium, and the third one is known as verticillaster. Special inflorescence. So let us go one by one. The first one is cyathium. Cyathium, and this is commonly found in case of euphorbia and poinsettia. Euphorbia and poinsettia, cyathium. In this case, what happens? In case of cyathium, the entire inflorescence looks like a single flower. The inflorescence looks like a single flower. You will think that it is not inflorescence a single flower. Then the cup-shaped structure is formed by involucre of bracts. That means so many bracts are combined together to form a cup-like structure. And there is a single female flower. There is a single female flower which is a tricarpellary and syncarpous. Tricarpellary and syncarpous. And there are several male flowers represented by only stamens, and they are arranged in a scorpoid manner. Their arrangement is in a scorpoid manner. These are some of the important characters of this cyathium. That means, suppose this is the floral axis. Now, the bracts which are present, all these bracts, they form one involucre-like structure, or which appears like a cup. This is the involucre of bracts, and this is the pedicel. Now, from the base of this, there will be a single female flower. There will be a single female flower here, and the single female flower is tricarpellary and syncarpous. This is the single female flower. Now, the single female flower is surrounded by several male flowers, and the male flowers they do not have calyx, corolla, all those things. The male flowers are represented only by the stamens. That means the stamen represents the male flower. So there are several male flowers like this, but how they are arranged? They are arranged in a scorpoid manner. That means left, right, or zigzag manner they are arranged. They are in a zigzag manner. Now this is the entire inflorescence. It looks like a single flower, but this is the female flower, which is the tricarpellary syncarpous. These are the male flowers, which are represented only by stamens. We can call them as ecchlamydas. Ecchlamydamonas, That means there is no sepals and no petals. It is dependent only by stamens. And they are left, right, there are. That means here the female to male flowers are one too many. That means the female flower is one and the male flowers are many in number. So this is that means the flowers are unisexual, but the flowers are stalked. So this is the about Cyathium. Then the second type. The second type of special inflorescence is the Hypathodium. And the Hypathodium is commonly found in ficus. The second type is known as Hypanthodium, and the common example is ficus. Now, if you will observe one ficus inflorescence, you will initially think that it is actually not an inflorescence, it looks like a single flower, but actually it is an inflorescence. In this case, what happens? The entire inflorescence looks like this in case of ficus. It looks like this. Now, this cup-like structure is formed by the receptacle, that means thalamus. The cup shape is formed by receptacle. In case of Cyathium, the cup shape structure is formed by involucre of bracts, but here it is formed by receptacle. Then here there is one opening. This opening is known as ostiole, and here is the structure where the male and female flowers will be present. Now you see how the different types of flowers are present. Now towards this ostiole, the male flowers are present. Towards the ostiole, the male flowers are present. So these are the male flowers. Now the female flowers, they are present towards the base. Female flowers are present towards the base. So these are the female flowers. In between the male and female flowers, there are some flowers which are neither male or female, that they are the sterile flowers, and they are known as gall flowers. They are gall flowers. That means the male flowers are towards the ostiole, that is opening, while the female flowers are towards the base, and in between male and female flowers there are some sterile flowers which are known as gall flowers. These are the sterile flowers. So here you see the large number of male and female flowers are present, and when one insect will visit, it will pollinate all the, because here male flowers are present, pollens are formed, and it will pollinate all the female flowers. So that seed set is assured, and that happens in case of ficus. So this is one inflorescence, but it looks like a single flower. So here also you will find that the flowers are unisexual, they are not bisexual, and the flowers are also sessile. The flowers are sessile. The flowers are sessile and unisexual. Now let us discuss the third type and the last type of your special type of inflorescence, that is known as the verticillaster. And the verticillaster type of inflorescence is character of family that is Labiatae. That is a verticillaster type of inflorescence. This is a character of family Labiatae, to which usually the leucus, then the salvia, and also you will find in case of ocimum, that is tulsi. You will find all these cases, and it is also found in case of mentha. So in case of verticillaster type, usually the First the arrangement is it is usually unifacial. First it is unifacial. Sorry. First it is biparous or difacial, followed by uniparous, scarped arrangement. So you see how it looks like. This is the axis. Now this axis terminates with one flower. So now it gives rise to as if it is a Cymose type of inflorescence. But how the next flowers will come out? Now the next flowers they will appear in a diaxial manner. That means in a diaxial manner. So if this is the number one flower and these are the number two flowers because they are arising like this. But what about the arrangement of the next flowers? Now the next flowers they will be arise in a uniparous scarped manner. Scarped means left right manner they will come out. So suppose now the third flower will come out on this side of this. That means the third flower. Then this side also it will come. This is the third flower. So here it has come from the left side of the second flower. Now the next flower, the fourth flower will come from the right side. That means this is the fourth flower. Here also it will come in the right side. This is the fourth flower. So if the fifth flower will come, then again that will come on the left side. Here it will come on the left side. Here it will come on the left side. This is the fifth flower. That means initially it is biparous because two flowers are coming, but the remaining flowers are arranged in a uniparous scarped arrangement. Right, left. So this is the arrangement of flowers found in case of Ocimum. You must have seen Ocimum or Mentha. This is the arrangement which is known as verticillus type of inflorescence. So these are the different types of Cymose and special type of inflorescence. Let us discuss questions. Number one. In Datura, the type of inflorescence is uniparous, biparous, multiparous, or none of the above. Second question. In Ocimum, the type of inflorescence is HS, Cyathium, B choice, Hypanthodium, C choice, Verticillaster, D choice, Anthodium. So we have discussed the different types of inflorescence. I hope now you have a very clear understanding about the different types of inflorescence. Thank you very much for watching the video. God bless you and have a good day.